In this video, I will tell you the solution for the problem asked in the IIT-JAM 2020 question paper. It is the question number 24. The question is the root mean square speed of hydrogen atom at 500 Kelvin, that is VH, and helium atom at 2000 Kelvin, VHE, are related as. The options are VH is greater than VHE, VH is less than VHE, VH equal to VHE, and VH is very much greater than VHE. Let us look at the solution. It is given that the RMS speed of hydrogen is VH and RMS speed of helium atom is VHE. We have the expression for RMS velocity V RMS equal to square root of 3 RT by M, where R is the gas constant, T is temperature, M is the molecular weight. Temperature of the hydrogen atom is given, that is 500 Kelvin. Temperature of the helium atom is 2000 Kelvin. They are given. And molecular weights of hydrogen atom is 2, and for helium atom it is 4, because hydrogen molecule consists of 2 hydrogen atoms and its molecular weight is 2. Helium is monoatomic. It contains 2 protons and 2 neutrons in its nucleus. Therefore, molecular weight of the helium is 4. Now express the RMS velocity of hydrogen atom as VH, that is given by square root of 3 RTH by MH, and for helium atom it is square root of 3 THE divided by MHE. Take the ratio of these two equations, that is VH by VHE gives you this ratio. Substitute for temperature and molecular weight, you will get square root of this particular product. That gives you 1 by root 2, because 500 into 4 gives you 2000, 4 gets cancelled, you will get 1 by square root of 2. It shows that VH by VHE is equal to 1 by square root of 2. And if you calculate this number, that is found to be less than 1. So it shows that VH by VHE is less than 1. Therefore, the velocity of the hydrogen atom, or RMS speed of the hydrogen atom, is less than RMS speed of the helium atom. So the option B is the correct answer. The velocity of hydrogen atom is less than the velocity of helium atom.